anniversary date. Thanks to mother over there. Over there, mother over there. Thank you. Mother, thank you. Thank you. Happy wedding anniversary. Libre. Libre ni mother-in-law. Right, mother? Mga nun. I said,
getting in the way.
why? What's wrong?
You can't put your leg up there, dude. And then I can't eat. You make me go get Kyla.
To get my filter.
Yeah.
Napsuga ko. I'm already full, love, because of the appetizer, the soup, everything. Because I put my feet, my legs down. That's why I no appetite.
That's okay. I'll eat this later.
Okay. I'm already full. Just your.
How's everything tasting?
Good?
Good.
Good.
Oh, thank
You're
you.
welcome. You want some cheese?
No, thanks. Ooh, daman
She
kanina.
even brought you the to-go. She brought you the to-go from the building.
Okay.
Can you get some more breadsticks, please? Is that okay? It's okay. Appreciate it. Thank you.
Napsuga nga talaga. So, ooh, is it ano? Spicy lang?
Red bell pepper.
I thought it's, the ano. I'm full. We have a lot of food, mother. We have a lot of food. Because I already ordered
Some more breadsticks over here.
Thank you.
this one, mother. Oh, I ordered that also. Oh my god. I realize how many. We have a lot of.
Very good.
Oh, I will give it to the girls na lang tonight. Right? Yeah?
Sure, baby.
For the girls na lang that one. Over there. Who's the damaging my career over there? Oh, the two of them damaging my career.
Yeah.
They took a video on me, a picture on me, and ugly. which is I'm not ugly, I'm beautiful. See?
Papa.
Here's the thing. Here, look, I got. Muting.